Hey everybody, welcome back to Villains and Vice. I'm Beth and today I have a pin haul for you. That's right, you heard correctly, pins. So if you are new to my channel, you know that I have a very small pin collection. I was not a pin collector, and then I did a box swap with my friend Seth Lavender. I will link his channel above. And boom, Loki pin. Then I did another box swap with my same friend, Seth Lavender, and boom, 2 Lucifer pins. And then I bought myself a Lucifer pin. It's like Halloween and Lucifer, I couldn't pass it up. And then my friend Cammie at Key to Disney did a Valentine's Day Pins and Pops box swap that I did. And my friend Jake at Jake's Disney Afternoon sent me this cool Evil Queen pin. Loki stands alone. I kind of like him down there. I feel like he's watching everybody. So now I have started 2 pin collections. Very specific pin collections. Lucifer the cat and the Evil Queen from Snow White. So I don't remember exactly what these are, but I assume they are some combination of those 2 characters. So let's see if I can add some more magic to my very sad, very modest pin collection. My father has more pins than I do. Mike, however, has 1 pin. 1 pin to his name. Our first pin is from Megan in California, and I hope I can just cut the top right off of this envelope, because that's what I did. Wrapped in a little bit of tissue paper. Okay. So my first pin is Rucifer. So it's Lucifer's little head inside a little like fish skeleton with a hidden Mickey on the tail. And you'll have to bear with me. I know very little about pins, so I'm not one of those people who's going to be able to tell you exactly what collection this is, because, I mean, I don't know. I just know it was Lucifer, and I wanted it. It has the little Mickey pin back. All right. Stick him in. Look at me go. All right. And next up, we have, all right, this one's from Princess Bia in Florida. Ones. I got 2 pins from her. Hey, surprise, I'd forgotten that. So the first one is a Disney Parks collection. I think, just open edition, but it is the Evil Queen with these cool like thorns behind her, and she's holding the box that she gives the huntsman to put Snow White's beating heart in. So cool. Got the little Mickey waffling on the back. Oh, she looks mad. Look at those eyes. She is angry. Right. My second Evil Queen pin. Look at me. How many pins does it take to make a collection? Because I hope it's 2. All right. And the second pin from Princess Bia is, I don't remember. Oh, okay. So this is another Disney Parks pin. It's the mask from the Magic Mirror. It says fairest one of all, and then it opens up. Huzzah! And on the inside is a mirror. Because duh, the fairest one of all is me. Just kidding, just kidding. But I do like that it's the mirror inside. I figured this counts, right? As an Evil Queen pin? I think so. I love it because it's kind of like stained glassy. I don't know if you can see it, but it's pink underneath the mask. Very cool, very cool. It has 2 little backers. 2 little Mickey backers. What do you guys do with the backs of your pins? I guess I'll just have to get like a little Tupperware thing. Well, if 2 wasn't enough to make a collection, maybe 3 is, because look at me go. Now I have 3 Evil Queen pins. Last of my pins from this haul is from my friend Frances from Dream Finding with Frances down in Florida. She did a park pickup for me. Again, very new to the pin collecting. I was actually down in Florida when this pin came out, and I was like, oh, if I see it in the parks, I'll get it. But guess how many times in the parks I thought about pins? I will save you the trouble. None times. Not one time did I think, oh, I should run in there and see if I can find that pin. And I got home and I was like, oh shoot, I wanted that. Actually, the only reason I even knew this particular pin existed was because my friend Seth sent it to me and he was like, I think you need this. And that was before I even got this pin. So Seth knows what's up. This is the Disney Pins limited edition transformation pin. So it is the Evil Queen and the Old Hag. It is my very first pin on pin. It's kind of heavy. All right, so the same Mickey waffling. It is a limited edition of $27.50. The Evil Queen looks like a peacock. Is that what that's supposed to be? I mean, it looks like a peacock. And she is, again, holding that little chest for Snow White's heart. And the Old Hag is holding her apple. Take a bite. And, oh my gosh, this is huge. Just like that, I have 4 Rucifes and 4 Evil Queen pins. Look, my collection is growing. So thank you guys for tuning in and enabling me when it comes to purchasing of things that I probably don't need, but very much like and enjoy looking at. Which was your favorite of the pins I opened today? Was it the Lucifer one? Was it one of the Evil Queen ones? Was it the mirror one? Let me know in the comments. I think there'll be more of this because I can kind of see why collecting pins is fun. But I've stuck to these 2 very narrow categories to try to prevent myself from going out of control and just like buying, because that's kind of how I roll. So thank you guys for stopping by. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Bye.